Okay, here we have a binomial theorem question. Remember, with the binomial theorem, you take the a term and you'll notice the power goes down by 1 each time. Helps you remember what you're doing. And the b term, start with beta naught, hence there's nothing here, because beta naught is 1, so you get 1 times all that, so there's no point putting it in. Then you get b to the 1, b squared, and then the b's will go up each time until you get to b to the n at the end. And notice the bottom part, the NCR part, is always 0, 1, 2, 3. So long as you remember to start with a 0 and beta naught, you shouldn't go wrong. So in this question, we've got to work out what our a and our b is. A is 2x. So remember to include the 2. Quite a lot of people forget, and they only have the x. The b is equal to 5. Now if this is a minus 5, then b would be equal to minus 5. So we're going to expand this using a as 2x and b as 5. So if we expand this, we know that n is 6. Start at 6c0 of 2x all to the power of 6. There's no b bit in the first term. 6c1 2x to the 5 times by b, which is 5 to the 1, plus 6c2 times 2x to the 4 times by 5 squared plus 6c3. I'm going to run out of space here. 2x cubed times by 5 cubed. Okay, now this is our term. This is the term with x cubed in it. When you cube all that out, you get the x cubed. No, the x is going to go down as far as we go along. So the x cubed term is equal to 6c3 2x cubed times 5 cubed. Now you could have gone straight to here. If you realise that the x to the 6th term is where we're going to start, so we start off with 6 and you go down each time, so you're going to go 6, 5, 4, 3 to get to the cubed term. Now as you're going down, you need to realise this comes up from 0, 1, 2, 3, and that will give you a power of 5 term in here. So let's work out 6c3 on our calculator. So you've got 6, shift, there's the NCR button there, here's the NCR, c3, press equals, gives us 20. If you've got a graphical calculator, Casio graphical calculator, you'll need to search in the options button, and it's under probability, the NCR section. So that's 20. 2 cubed is 8. X cubed times by 5 cubed is 125. So 2 times 125 is 250, so put on the naught as 2,500. If you just think of that as 8 times 2,500 x cubed, then 8 times 25 is 200 to put on the front there. So that gives you 20,000 x cubed. So therefore the coefficient of x cubed is equal to just 20,000. That's how many lots of x cubed we have. So don't confuse this with being the answer. This is the coefficient and is our answer.